Hi guys, how are you today? Today we are going to learn and practice about forces. Before we start to learn about forces, you need to remember what did you study last week about it, okay? Well, we can say that forces is a push or pull acting upon an object as a result of its interaction with another object. There are a variety of types of forces. They can be placed into two broad categories. Headings on the basis of whether the force results from the contact or no contact of the two interacting objects. What is this? We have two objects. We have, for example, the floor, a car. So we push the car. We have two forces. One is the friction that the floor causes on the car, and the other one is the friction, the friction that the wind pushes you back. These are two forces, two objects, and the force. We are gonna look the next part, and I will explain you that the types of forces. Here we have different types of forces. We have gravity, air resistance, friction, normal force, and tension. Look here, gravity is the force that create the planet and push you down. If you don't have gravity, you will fly like a bird on the sky. The gravity is the force that pushes you down and keeps your feet on the ground. Air resistance is the force that pushes you against you when the wind or the air blows in front of your face. You tend to go back and say, oh, there's too much wind, and that's a resistance. So you, for example, you're running, you have too much air in front of your face, you're gonna slow down and you're gonna run slower. Okay. Later we have the friction here that is on the floor, and the friction that is caused by the floor that is not smooth or soft against something you're pushing. For example, you're going to push a box on the floor, you will have some resistance from the floor. That means friction. So you will have to push with more strength in order to move that box. Later we have the normal force that provides the planet Earth. That's a force that makes the floor for you and push you up, so don't let you stay on the floor. Okay, and next one we have the tension force. That is when the opposite of the air resistance. You have to pull something and the air wants to take that away. For example, you put your hat on your hair and the wind blows very hard. The hat is going to fly to there and you will try to pull it, but you will have resistance, a tension, in order to bring it back to your hair. That is tension. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 types of forces. Extra information here, we have another concept about force, and we can say that in physics, a force is an interaction that causes an affected object to be pushed or pulled in a certain direction. Forces causes objects to accelerate, add to the object's overall pressure, change direction, or change in shape. Okay, so these are forces. I hope you understand, and thank you very much for paying attention. Many thanks. Bye bye.